Hi, I'm Shelley Levette, and today I want to share with you fine motor hearts. For this activity, you'll need to have my heart patterns, which are available on my website, and you'll need to have pony beads. I did make 12 different colors of hearts, but I couldn't find gray pony beads. So if you know where you can locate gray pony beads, please let me know. You also need to have pipe cleaners. I used white pipe cleaners that are about 3.5 to 4 inches long, and I did that because of the number of the beads we put on. You can adjust it for whatever size you need. You also need to have a paper punch to punch holes into the hearts. It's up to you where you want to punch the hole in each of your hearts. I do mine off to the side, but I know some people probably want to do it on the bottom of the heart. And I found the best way to make the spots the same on each heart is just to take the one that you've punched a hole in, put it on top of the other one, and then repunch again. And basically then all of the hearts will have the hole in the same spot. You want to make sure all of your hearts are laminated. I didn't do that for this video because I didn't want reflection in there, but you want to make sure they're laminated. Then you take one of your pipe cleaners and push it through the front of the heart and leave some of it on the back, and then you're going to twist it around the longer end of the pipe cleaner so you make sure that it is secured on there. You want to make sure that there's no sharp points on it as well. And you keep twisting until it's secured on. You will do that for all the rest of the hearts that you'll be using with this activity. Once you have the pipe cleaners attached to all the hearts, it's time for the children to lace with the pony beads. And so the objective of this activity is for the children to put the same color beads as to the same colored heart. So this heart is purple, even though it looks kind of pink in the video, it's purple. So they need to find the purple beads. And again, it's up to you how many you set out for the children to do. I usually do 10 to 15 for each color, and then they would just string the beads on, and then when they're done putting the beads on, then I usually have them close off the beads by folding the pipe cleaner over the last bead. This is a great activity for fine motor skills development as well as eye-hand coordination, but you do want to use supervision in children who are 3 and younger and those still in the stages of putting small items in their mouths. If you do not want to use pipe cleaners with these hearts, you can just do a straight pony and heart match by placing the same colored ponies on top of the same colored hearts. It's still great fine motor work. If you like the content that I provide in these videos, it would really mean a lot to me if you'd like, comment, and share. I'm Shelley Levette with childcareland.com, and thank you so much for watching.